हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने किया था कि टू ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट कब होती है और उनका SAS रूल किया था, दैट हाउ टू चेक कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स। आज हम करेंगे कॉन्ग्रुएंसी चेक करने का सेकंड रूल, दैट इज ASA। सो इस रूल में हमको क्या चेक करना होगा? ASA रूल में ASA rule says two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two angles. Here we need two angles and one included side of one triangle. Are equal to two angles and one included side of another triangle. So what we need, two triangles are congruent if two angles and one included side and one of one triangle are equal to two angles and one included side of another triangle, then two triangles are congruent to each other. This is the ASA rule. Here we need two angles and one side, and in the previous result SAS rule, in that rule we need two sides and one angle. Similarly, we have next rule AAS rule to check congruency of two triangles. See, in these results, if two angles are equal to two angles of another triangle, so total we have three angles, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this, then automatically the third angle of one triangle is equal to third angle of another triangle, because we have angle sum property. Here if you calculate third angle and here if you calculate third angle, both angles will be equal. So if two angles of two triangles are equal, then third angle will automatically equal. So using these results, we have third rule AAS rule, that is two triangles are congruent if two angles, because two is, that means two angles and one side is equal to two angles and one side of another triangle. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and one side of triangle are equal to two angles and one side of another triangle, then also two triangles are congruent. This is the AAS rule and this is the ASA rule. Here we need only the included side. If these two triangles and this angle is 30 degree, this is also 30 and this is a 50 degree and this is a 50 degree, then यहाँ पे हम जो साइड की बात कर रहे हैं वो साइड है इंक्लूडेड साइड, जो दोनों एंगल्स को इंक्लूड कर रही है, इंक्लूडेड साइड. So two angles and one included side, here also two angles and one included side. If two angles and one included sides are equal, then both triangles are congruent by ASA rule. But here I did not mention the included side. So here you can take any side. Suppose this angle is equal to this angle, 30 degree, and this is a 50 degree. This angle 30 degree is equal to 50 degree, and this side is equal to this side. Also, then the two triangles are congruent by AAS rule, because we know this angle will equal to this angle and this the result is ASA rule. But in AAS rule, we don't need the included side, we need the two angles and one corresponding side. This rule, ये rule हमें इस rule से derive किया है. So हमें क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 in exercise 7.1. Question number 3. So what we give question number 3. AD and BC are two perpendiculars, two equal perpendiculars, two side, two line segment AB. This is the statement of question number 3, which is given in your book. To prove CD bisects AB. What is the meaning of bisects? Meaning of bisects means two equal parts. That means we have to prove CD bisects AB means CD divides AB into two equal parts. Diagram is also given. So, solution, we have to prove CD bisects AB means CD divides AB into two equal parts. Therefore, we have to prove OA is equal to OB. So, how we will prove this? First of all, take two triangles, triangle AOD and triangle BOC. मैंने यही वाली दो ट्राइंगल्स क्यों ली? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे जो दो ट्राइंगल्स बन रही है, बट ये हम कैसे लेंगे कि यही वाली दो ट्राइंगल्स लेनी है. हमें प्रूव करना है OA इज इक्वल टू OB. सो OA कौन सी ट्राइंगल में आ रहा है? OA आ रहा है ट्राइंगल AOD में, एंड OB कौन सी ट्राइंगल में आ रहा है? ट्राइंगल BOC. सो ट्राइंगल AOD and BOC. Now in these triangles, what things are equal, which sides are equal and which angles are equal. We have given AD and BC are perpendicular, so this makes angle 90 degree and also equal perpendicular. That means AD is equal to BC. This is we have given. AD is equal to BC given. Angle A is equal to angle B, each 90 degree because of perpendicular. And तो जहाँ पे हमको एक साइड और एक एंगल मिल गया. थर्ड वन, ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. व्हाई? बिकॉज बोथ आर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. सो एंगल AOD इज इक्वल टू एंगल BOC. रीजन वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. So we get three things are equal in both triangles. So this is the angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, two angles and one side, and this side is not included side to both angles. This is the one corresponding side. So triangles AOD congruent to triangle BOC by which rule? Rule number 3, AAS rule. AAS rule by AAS rule. Now I told you in the last video that when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So now corresponding parts of triangle AOD and triangle BOC are equal. That means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. But we need OA is equal to OB. So we get OA equal to OB by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now what we have to do? We have to prove CD bisects AB. That means CD divides AB into two equal parts. That means OA equal to OB. That we prove already. So this implies CD bisects AB. Now the homework for you is to solve question number 4 and 5. Thank you students.